If you want to turn ChatGPT into an advanced voice assistant, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to enable voice mode, then customize ChatGPT's personality and behavior so it feels more natural, more useful, and a lot more advanced. Whether you want a professional assistant, a warm conversational helper, or a focused research partner, this setup can make a huge difference. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT and go to the main screen. You'll want to look for the voice icon in the bottom right corner. This is the button that turns ChatGPT into voice mode. Tap that icon to start using your assistant hands-free. Once voice mode is active, you can begin speaking naturally, and ChatGPT will respond out loud. This is great for asking quick questions, brainstorming ideas, getting explanations, or even using ChatGPT while you're multitasking. Now, if you want this to feel more advanced, the next step is to customize how ChatGPT behaves. This is where the real upgrade happens. Go into Settings, then open Personalization. Inside this area, you'll find options that let you shape the assistant's personality and tone. You can choose from personality profiles like professional, playful, or warm, depending on how you want it to respond. If you want a more polished and intelligent feeling assistant, professional is usually a great place to start. If you want something more friendly and human-like, warm can feel much better for everyday use. And if you want your assistant to feel more creative or casual, playful can make conversations more engaging. The key here is to choose a style that matches how you actually want to use ChatGPT. Next, go even deeper with custom instructions. This is one of the most powerful features because it lets you give ChatGPT a permanent persona. Instead of repeating the same instructions every time, you can set rules that guide how it should speak and respond across conversations. For example, you could tell it to always be concise, always ask clarifying questions when needed, or act as your research lead and give structured answers. A good custom instruction might be something like, always respond in a clear, confident tone, keep answers short unless I ask for detail, and help me think through decisions step by step. That kind of setup makes ChatGPT feel much more like a true assistant instead of just a chatbot. It also helps the voice experience feel smoother because the responses will sound more intentional and consistent. If you use ChatGPT for work, studying, content creation, or planning, this approach is especially useful. You can make it sound more formal during work hours, more conversational when you're brainstorming, and more direct when you need fast answers. That flexibility is what makes the voice assistant feel advanced. Here's a smart tip. Spend a few minutes testing different personality profiles and custom instructions. Ask the same question in each setup and listen to how the responses change. This will help you find the best combination for your workflow. Small changes in tone and instruction can dramatically improve how useful the assistant feels. Also, remember that voice mode is best when paired with clear prompts. Even though you're speaking naturally, the clearer your request is, the better the response will be. Try asking things like, summarize this in 3 points, explain this like I'm a beginner, or give me the fastest next step. That helps ChatGPT behave more like a high-performance voice assistant. Once you've set everything up, you can use ChatGPT for all kinds of voice tasks. You can ask it to draft messages, generate ideas, explain concepts, plan your day, or help you make decisions while you're on the go. The more you customize it, the more it starts to feel like your own personal AI assistant. So to quickly recap, tap the voice icon to activate voice mode, then go into Settings, open Personalization, choose a personality profile, and use custom instructions to define exactly how you want ChatGPT to behave. That's how you convert ChatGPT into a much more advanced voice assistant. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe for more ChatGPT tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of voice assistant setup you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.